Are you looking for a smartwatch that's built just for kids, but smart enough to keep up with today's tech? Want to track their activity, stay connected without a phone, and keep them safe with real-time location tracking? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Fitbit Ace LTE. From its standout features to how it performs in real life. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find a movable watch band, a Fitbit Ace LTE, a protective bumper, and a USB-C fast-charging cable. Charge your watch! To charge your Fitbit Ace LTE, just bring the charging cable close to the back of the watch, and it'll snap into place magnetically. Just make sure the pins are lined up. Then plug it into a USB port or a UL-certified charger. A 30-minute charge gives you up to 11 hours of battery life. For a full charge, it'll take about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Set up with app. To set up your Fitbit Ace LTE, make sure that your compatible phone is charged and connected to the internet. Press and hold the top button of the watch to turn your watch on. Tap on the screen to begin and select your language. Download and install the Fitbit Ace app on your phone and open it. Sign into your account, enter your email and password, then tap Next. Tap My Child Will Wear the Watch. If you already have a family account, tap on your child's account. Or to create a new account, tap Create a New Account for Child. Enter the required details and tap Next. View the agreements and conditions, then tap I agree. Confirm your password and tap Next. Choose your Ace Pass data plan and tap Select Plan. Complete your purchase and tap Buy. Turn on your device's Bluetooth to connect. Tap the watch screen and tap Next. Select your Ace and tap Pair, and you'll be paired successfully. Navigate Ace LTE. Fitbit Ace LTE has a touchscreen and 2 physical buttons. You can navigate Fitbit Ace LTE by tapping the screen, swiping up, down, left and right, or pressing and holding the physical buttons. Press and hold the home button to access. Power off restart settings, call for help. Single press from the home screen opens the Fitbit Arcade double press, launches the active game. When you're in the device's home screen, you can swipe in different directions for navigation. Manage basic settings on your device. To open settings, press and hold the home button and then tap Settings. On some versions, you may also access settings by swiping down from the home screen and selecting Settings. To change the default move goal. Noodle on your watch, press and hold your home screen, watch face. Swipe left or right to choose a new move score for Noodle. Or you can tap Add New at the end of the list to check more options. Change your time style. The time style is the font and layout used to show the time within your Noodle. Press and hold your watch face. Tap Edit and select a time style from the list. Change audio, screen, and brightness settings. To change most settings on Fitbit Ace LTE, tap the watch face if your screen is dim. To open settings, press and hold the top button, and then tap Settings. On some versions, you may need to swipe down from the home screen and select Settings. From here, you can tap Display to adjust brightness, text size, and more. Tap Gestures to turn gestures such as tilt to wake on or off. Tap Sound to turn the volume up or down. Tap Vibration to turn vibrations on or off. Key features. Now they can call home without the smartphone. Use the Fitbit Ace app to call, message, and know your child's location while they're on the go. Ace bands level up their game. Every new Fitbit Ace LTE band magically unlocks new noodles and other cool stuff. The Fitbit Arcade is full of movement-based games for fun at every level, and there are no in-app purchases. The only way to move through the game is to get moving. How Fitbit Ace encourages kids to be more active, to move more, play more. Call and chat through the Fitbit Ace app. Ace LTE can stay in touch with parents and up to 20 adults in your trusted circle using the secure Fitbit Ace app. The EG is the center of the Fitbit Ace LTE. The more your kids move, the more goals they hit, and the happier they make the EG. It's made with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and comes with a protective bumper case, so it resists dust, scratches, and endless bounces. Fitbit Ace LTE is also water-resistant to 50 meters. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Ace LTE. See you in the next one.